हेलो दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप सब। आज आपका मेरे चैनल फिर से बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज हम एक नई वीडियो जो है एस्ट्रॉयड्स पे बात करने जा रहे हैं। सभी जानकारी के लिए वीडियो के अंत तक जुड़े रहिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एस्ट्रॉयड्स आर रॉकी वर्ल्ड्स revolving around that are too small to be called planets. They are also known as planetoids or minor planets. There are millions of asteroids ranging in size from hundreds of miles to several feet across. In total, the mass of the asteroid is less than the Earth's moon. Despite their size, asteroids can be dangerous. Many have hit the Earth in the past, and more will crash into our planet in the formation. Asteroids are leftover from the formation of our solar system and are eager to learn more about their number, billions of years ago, and physical characteristics. Early on, the Jupiter prevented any planetary bodies from forming in the gap between Mars and Jupiter, causing the small objects that were there to collide with each other and fragment into the asteroids seen today. Understanding of how the solar system evolved is constantly expanding. Two fairly recent theories, the NICE model and the Grand Trap, suggest that the gas giants moved around before settling into their modern orbits. This movement could have seen asteroids from the main belt raining down on the terrestrial planet, emptying the refilling and original belt. Physical characteristics. Asteroids can reach as large as Ceres, which is 940 km, about 583 miles across. On the other hand of the scale, the smallest asteroid ever studied is the 6 foot wide 2 meter space rock 2015 TC25, which was observed when it made a close flyby of Earth in October 2005. The Vishnu Reddy of the University of Arizona's Lunar and Planetary Laboratory said in a statement, "You can think of an asteroid as a meteoroid floating into space that hasn't hit the atmosphere and made it to the ground." Nearly all asteroids are irregularly shaped, although a few of the largest are nearly spherical, such as Ceres. They are often pitted or cratered. For instance, Vesta has a giant crater some 285 miles in diameter. Surface of most asteroids are thought to be covered in dust. As asteroids revolve around the Sun in elliptical orbit, they rotate, sometimes tumbling quite erratically. More than 150 asteroids are also known to have a small companion moon, with some having two moons. Binary or double asteroids also exist. Classification. Asteroids lie within three regions of the solar system. Most asteroids lie in the vast ring between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter. The main asteroid belt holds more than 200 asteroids larger than 60 miles in diameter. Scientists estimate that asteroid belt also contain between 1.1 million and 1.19 million asteroids larger than 1 kilometer in diameter and millions of smaller ones. Asteroids defense. Dozens of asteroids have been classified as potentially hazardous by the scientists who track them. Some of those orbits come close enough to Earth could potentially be turbulent in the distant future and sent on a collision course with our planet. Scientists pointed out that if an asteroid is found to be on the collision of course with Earth 30 or 40 years down the road, there is time to react. Discovery and naming. In 1801, while making a star map, Italian priest and astronomer Giuseppe Pizzazzi accidentally discovered the first and largest asteroid Ceres orbiting between Mars and Jupiter. Although Ceres is classified today as the dwarf planet, it accounts for a quarter of the mass of all the known asteroids in or near the main asteroid belt. Exploration. So, according to CNEOS, it has been estimated that the mineral wealth resident in the belt of asteroids between the orbits of Mars and Jupiter would be equivalent to about $100 billion for each person. Today, hope you like the video. Hit the like button and share, subscribe to my channel.